Hello, my name is Kalinda and this is my attempt on assessment task 1, which is designing a website of DnD character maker. Starting off with visual research. When analyzing novelty versus aesthetic with 10 related websites, I found out the more novelty the website has, the less aesthetic it gets. Next, I analyzed those websites and identify what visual elements they have in common. What I found stand out the most from this website is that they mostly use vintage colors, which is from brown to beige. They also use contrasting color to make the important buttons stand out. Majority of the website also has information button for users to know what each button do and about how to make the character. As for the illustration, most website has a well-detailed fantasy illustration. All websites also use symbols for their character body part option. Most website has illustrated background. Alignment. Most website put the option on either side or on the bottom of the character. All website align option in order from head to toes. Most website put info, undo, redo, and reset buttons separated from the option section. Moving on to competitor audit, I gather common features from those websites and what feature I would like to add on my design. From this table, I decided to highly prioritize login, saving character in website, info button, and share feature. And now continuing to user and site goals research. The main target audience here are mostly male with age between 16 to 20 above, who are also has interest in board games and roleplay. They also have a lot of free time in their hand. Usually when creating a D&D or any fantasy character and their background or lore requires a lot of research. So the user goal here is with this website, people can create and get information of their character as they go, whether for fun or to play Dungeons of Dragons. While the main site goal here is to make sure users have tons of fun and being creative while also learning about D&D characters and their background. Next, here are the questions I asked during my interview. And from those interview questions, I know that understanding the rules of character making in D&D is the main struggle. Users also want to learn and design the D&D character in one go. I often think designing the character is the most fun part. And after creating the characters, they will set up the character sheet and start creating their character's background story. They will be satisfied if they have made the character they want and enjoy, whether to play or just for fun. Next, user persona. Their goals is to balancing time between family, study, work, and playing games. Being able to expand his connection and make new friends through board games community, while also having fun, enjoying, and learning about his board games hobby. Meanwhile, their frustration is not having enough time to do what he likes, doesn't like being left alone, and doing complicated tasks. Lastly, after all those research, I came to a conclusion that a website to create D&D characters complete with backgrounds while also designing them is very rare. In visual analysis, alignment is very important. Since D&D rules are already complicated, designing the characters should be fun. Based on the interview, the site needs to have eye-catching illustration and useful information about building the character. Thanks for listening, and here's the reference list.